Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap New Westminster, local and long-distance movers near me. There are many reasons to hire a cheap New Westminster moving company. With 3 Movers, you get the local and long-distance moving services you need. We provide the most efficient services you will find, and our rates are affordable. If you're ready to relocate to a new home, business location, dorm room, or any other type of location, we can help you with all the moving tasks. Getting the right options for your long-distance move can make it easier, such as packing services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. We make it much easier to relocate to a new city 100 miles away or further. Our team will ensure you get the right help you need whenever you plan to move. If it's time to plan a long-distance move, we can help. Getting the Canada Moving Company to help with your local move will make things much easier. Local movers can save you a ton of time and energy, making it well worth the cost. 3 Movers will provide you with the right services for your local move. We know how to get you to your new location faster. Let us do the heavy lifting for you. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our New Westminster moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.